Alright, what's up guys, Chauncey here. Today is Wednesday, July 20th, and so far the S&P is down 0.2%. So yesterday we had a strong move up on the S&P, just went all the way up, got to 39.48, and then overnight we tapped all the way up to 39.64. So yeah, right now we're just kind of down, approaching the VWAP, but we got cumulative delta still going up and above zero. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I'll log into my TOS. So we have, I think it's today after market, we have Tesla earnings. And yesterday we had Netflix earnings, which I don't even know if they were good or not. I think they went up after hours, so let's see. So we got NASDAQ up 0.1% and the Dow basically flat right now. So that's just something to keep in mind. Pretty just flat right now overall, I guess, the three indices. VIX had a strong spike. I'm not sure. This is just like a glitch or... Yeah, so I'm not sure if this is like a glitch or, VIX did spike. It's down 1%. But I guess, oh wait, is it the third week? Yeah, so I guess it's probably just because VIX expiration. I'm guessing that's what happened. So. Yep, we got about 4 minutes until the open. I definitely want to play off of yesterday's levels, so this 39.35 and then 38.86. I marked this before, like yesterday. It was a key level from Monday, so that's yesterday's value area low. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down and try to test that. But if we hold above yesterday's high, that'll be bullish. So I may do micros again, or this trade, I don't know, I might as well just do micros. And then just trade 10 micros, and that'll be one full E-mini, and then I'll be able to scale out if I want to. So we got oil down 1%, still above that 98 level that I've been talking about. We got gold at 1700. Apple pre-market's 151, Tesla 740, 10-year at 2.9, and the dollar going down at around 106. So yeah, we'll see if we can hold above yesterday's high, 39.48. I'll mark that really quick. $39.48.50. 39.35. So yeah, we'll see how the market opens. Got 30 seconds. So I'm really just seeing if we can hold above yesterday's high. If not, be looking to short, possibly down to these 39.35, 39.24, and then if not that, maybe possibly down all the way to 38.86 if we don't break 3900. Here comes the open. What's up, Petros? So we got things falling, at least going right now. I do want to wait a couple more minutes. We got NASDAQ falling, but Dow kind of bouncing a little bit. Apple starting to fall. I don't want to get in too early. Get out of that short. I don't like how cumulative delts is bouncing. Here, let me. Alright, there we go. So yeah, I just took a quick scalp. Got out a little too early, I guess, but I just didn't like how cumulative delta wasn't really following through with price action. We're seeing it a little bit now, though, so. Yeah, Petros, I think it's like a 1 month free trial, but if you might have to buy a membership, or you can try using a new email to do the free trial with, or you could use a website like Uprofit or any like trading, like prop trading platform. Like I use Uprofit, but there's like Apex, Top Step, Earn a Trade. There's a lot of them, but if you can get like the cheapest subscription, and then you would have to pay like a small monthly fee depending on which one you get, but you wouldn't have to worry about buying the platform or anything. So you could just trade sim for free, essentially, and then you could just work to try to pass the evaluation, and they can get funded. I actually bought the full like lifetime membership NinjaTrader because I started using my own account before I used like a prop trading platform, but it's all up to what you're trying to do as far as trading wise. because then you would have to buy the lifetime license, and then you have to pay for like data fees and all that monthly. So I think if you're trying to just practice, I would just get evaluation, but first try to get another free trial if you can, because I think it's only a 1 month free trial. So we got NASDAQ pushing up, the Dow's still kind of going down. Apple, pretty much choppy so far at the open. Top 5 altogether are kind of moving up as well. I think another break of this 39.35, I might try to short again. But that's if the NASDAQ also turns around. It's showing strength. Tesla's showing strength as well. Take it on micros. I started learning at the beginning of the pandemic, and at first I was just trading options, and then I learned futures, and basically just looking like all over YouTube. First you just gotta learn technical analysis, and that just depends on the type of trading you're gonna do, but once I learned that, I learned like how options worked, and then once I heard of like futures, I looked that up, started researching it, and just, it's basically with futures, once you know how to actually trade, it's just learning how the contracts work. And I think it was like a Clay Trader video. He had like I think 7 to 10 episode series basically just explaining how the futures contracts work. And once you know that and technical analysis, you're basically good to go. But futures is a lot more risk to it than options, just because you could lose more. But that's why I like using a platform like Uprofit, because you're not risking all of your money, you're just paying a fee to get a funded account. So I definitely recommend that for new traders. You really kind of got to lose money to learn in really any type of trading you're doing, because that's how you're gonna teach yourself discipline and to see if you actually want to be a trader. So you have to really lose money, I think. So I guess I've been doing it for about a little over 2 years now. Yeah, I think for day trading purposes, I think futures is the best, just because you have the ability to get in and out and make good money with it at the same time. And you don't have to worry about, like with options, you have to worry about, all the Greeks, like the delta, theta. You have to worry about IV. And then say if it's a choppy day, your the price action could go up, but your premium might not move. So with futures, it's just pure price action. So that's what I like about it. So we still got things showing strength right now. Yeah, options can get confusing with all the different Greeks and all that. I'm gonna take a short here at VWAP. Just realized I don't have my brackets on either. Yeah, so I saw like NASDAQ and Dow kind of making top wicks, and I see this cumulative delta weakening. But I don't like how I don't have my brackets on. Cumulative delta is strengthening. Alright, I'm out of that trade. Definitely more short bias today. But if we're showing strength, I don't want to fade the trend, so. NASDAQ still pushing up, Dow pushing down. So this has been kind of the thing all week. As far as like Monday was too, Tuesday was a little bit, or yesterday was a little bit better just because we had more of a trending day. But these choppy days, you see NASDAQ and ES making one move and then the Dow making a total opposite move. So you kind of just got to wait for all of them to push together. Damn, I really want to take this short again. Fuck it. And I missed it. Let me put on my brackets. So Dow still pushing down. Damn, I missed that short. So we still got NASDAQ kind of bouncing. And then the Dow flushed pretty hard on that drop as well, so. See if we get one more test of view up. See how it reacts around here. New 15-minute candle. Just took that profit. I don't know, we're not trending pretty hard. I guess the ES is more so following the Dow right now as far as the trend, but Nasdaq's still kind of making some bounces, and the top 5 overall. I would have just hit my profit target right there, but you know, if you don't feel comfortable in the trade, you might as well get out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take another scalp if we break below this 39.35. That's where we're bouncing off of right now. But like I said, the Nasdaq is going towards its daily high, and the Dow is going towards its daily low. So it's kind of making ES choppy. We got top 5 kind of pushing towards its high as well. So I guess I could look for a long. I just don't like how the Dow is pushing down though. Damn, and shit, I got a bad fill right there. Alright, so I got stopped out right there. Down 362. I'll probably take one more trade. We got everything finally bouncing. So yeah, I'm gonna see. Let's see. I just don't like how sellers are kind of showing strength, but we're still trending upward. Just gonna sit on my hands for a couple minutes, unless I really see a trade I like. I think we can break this 39.35. So we got things starting to weaken together. There's a break at 39.35. See if we hold below it. I'm just going to take that. And I think I'm just going to call it a day. I've gotten that plus 6250 multiple times, so I think it's just telling me to quit trading. It's pretty choppy again today. 2 back-to-back streams. I wish I streamed yesterday because I did trade yesterday and had a pretty good day, but 2 days this week I've live streamed. It's been really choppy, so thank you guys for watching. Finish up 6250, so it's whatever. So yeah, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, keep notifications on so you can know when I go live trading. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.